Tammy Slaton, one of the central figures of TLC's hit reality series 1000 LB Sisters, has once again captivated fans with a raw and unfiltered glimpse into her personal life. This time, she's sharing the emotional and physical aftermath of a brutal surgery, a moment that has become one of the most talked about developments in the show's ongoing saga. The reality TV star has endured countless challenges in her journey toward health, but this latest surgery stands out for its intensity, complexity, and emotional toll. In a recently released video, Tammy bravely opens up about the days and weeks following the procedure, giving fans a front row seat to her pain, progress, and perseverance. Her candid footage, filmed shortly after she left the operating room, doesn't sugarcoat the reality of her condition. Tammy is seen hooked up to monitors and oxygen, her voice hoarse as she struggles to speak. Her face, still swollen from anesthesia and stress, shows visible signs of discomfort. Yet behind her tired eyes, there's a deep sense of determination. "I knew it would be hard," she says softly, "but I didn't expect this much pain." Fans immediately rallied behind her, flooding the comments with well wishes, prayers, and support. What's clear is that Tammy's journey is resonating more than ever, not just because of the weight loss or the dramatic before and after shots, but because of her brutal honesty and emotional vulnerability. The surgery in question, a major skin removal procedure, was the next step after her significant weight loss. Following bariatric surgery and months of strict dieting, Tammy had shed a dramatic amount of weight. However, as is often the case after such rapid weight loss, she was left with excess skin that caused discomfort, limited mobility, and posed risks of infection. Her medical team advised that skin removal was necessary to improve her quality of life, and Tammy bravely agreed to go under the knife on. Say more. The surgery, according to sources close to the production, lasted several hours and was more complicated than originally anticipated. Doctors removed large sections of skin from her arms, abdomen, and thighs. Due to Tammy's medical history and size, every moment in the operating room came with risks. This wasn't a cosmetic decision, one insider shared. Tammy needed this surgery to live a more comfortable and independent life. In the aftermath, Tammy was placed in a recovery unit where she remained for several days. The video she released captures both her physical pain and emotional vulnerability. At one point, she is seen crying, not just from the surgical pain, but from the overwhelming realization of how far she's come, and how far she still has to go. "It's like I'm finally peeling away my old self," she says through tears. "It hurts like hell, but I know this is what healing looks like." For longtime viewer of 1000 LB Sisters, this moment is a powerful payoff after years of watching Tammy struggle with food addiction, depression, and self-doubt. Her earlier seasons were marked by controversy and conflict, particularly with her family members who often expressed frustration with her lack of motivation. But now, those same family members are her biggest supporters. Amy Slaton, Tammy's sister and co-star, appears briefly in the video, holding Tammy's hand and encouraging her to stay strong. "You are doing this, sis," Amy whispers. "You're really doing it." Their bond, once strained by miscommunication and resentment, has never seemed stronger. As the video continues, viewers witness the grueling realities of post-op life. Tammy is shown trying to sit up, supported by nurses and physical therapists. Every movement appears to cause pain, and at one point she nearly passes out from the effort. But despite the suffering, Tammy continues to push forward. "I want to walk without pain," she says. "I want to go places. I want to live." That line, "I want to live," has taken on new meaning for Tammy. In earlier seasons, her health was so poor that she was placed on life support, and there were moments when it wasn't clear if she would survive. Now, she's not just surviving, she's choosing to fight. And fans are seeing the difference not just in her body, but in her spirit. Tammy's courage in sharing such a raw and painful video is being praised across social media. Mental health advocates are applauding her transparency, while body positivity influencers are celebrating her strength and authenticity. "This is what real recovery looks like," one fan tweeted. "Not just glamorized weight loss, but real, gritty, painful, beautiful healing." Behind the scenes, TLC is reportedly planning to feature the surgery and its aftermath in the upcoming season of 1000 LB Sisters. Producers believe that Tammy's story arc is more compelling than ever, especially as she continues to redefine what it means to reclaim your life after extreme obesity. One producer hinted, "Viewer will see a whole new side of Tammy. She's not the same woman we met in season 1. She's evolving, inside and out." Indeed, Tammy's transformation is about more than just numbers on a scale. It's about reclaiming agency, making hard choices, and finally believing in her worth. While critics have sometimes accused reality stars of dramatizing events for ratings, there's no question that what Tammy is going through is as real as it gets. In the final moments of her video, Tammy looks directly into the camera, her voice still weak but filled with resolve. "I'm not done yet," she says. "This isn't the end. This is just the beginning." That statement has become something of a rallying cry among her supporters. Across platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Reddit, fans are using hashtags like #TammyStrong and #SlaytonSurvivor to show their love. It's clear that Tammy has tapped into something powerful, a collective desire to witness not just transformation, but redemption. As she continues to heal, there are still many challenges ahead. Doctors estimate it will take several more weeks before Tammy can walk without assistance, and she'll Kaylee require additional procedures in the future. There are also emotional wounds that will take time to address, years of internalized shame, trauma, and public scrutiny. But with each step, Tammy is proving that she's willing to do the work. And more importantly, she's not afraid to show the world what that work looks like. As fans await more updates, one thing is certain, Tammy Slaton's story is far from over. If this latest chapter is any indication, the road ahead will be tough, but filled with hope. The woman who once doubted she would live to see 40 is now becoming a symbol of resilience for millions. She's not hiding her pain, her struggle, or her scars. She's showing them all, proudly, because they are proof that she fought, and continues to fight, for her life. For viewers who have followed her from the beginning, this isn't just reality TV anymore. It's a story of survival. And Tammy Slaton is writing it one powerful, painful, and inspiring page at a time. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more updates. News.